Hi, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, we are going to design a TV cabinet. So you guys can go to the living room area. You can go to 3D view or walk through and go to the living room area. Okay, so this is my living room. Alright, then you can go to customize and then you can go to system cabinet or you can press alternate 5. This is the shortcut key. Okay, go to system cabinet. Alright, this is system cabinet. This function is quite universal. You can create any storage cabinet using this function, such as shoe cabinet, dressing table, tatami. You can also explore the 4.0 system on the left side. Okay, and expert database. There's more option inside here, like this one. You can see got coffee table, bed. Okay, if you go to the second button, there's more option. This is the headrest. This is the box bed. Then for the mattress, you can drag from cloud library. Okay, so this is all the furniture or the semi-finished product that you can drag. Okay, let's say you drag out the box bed. You can edit the sizing. You can edit the panel color. Alright, it's like a semi-finished product. Alright, so for the TV cabinet, we'll be using the basic carcass. So you can go to design library. On the left side, go to design library. You can scroll down. You will see universal cabinet without anchor. Alright, drag this out and then resize it. Okay. On the right side, you will see product placement. You can resize it. Width, you can extend it to 2100. Depth, 450. Height, 300. Then elevation, this is the height from the floor. We need to move it up a bit. So you can adjust the elevation, change to 500. Enter. Okay, so this will be the console TV lah. Alright, next you can drag this universal frame cabinet on the left side. Okay, drag to the left side and snap them together. Okay, then you can resize it. Width, you can extend the left side. Okay, left side. This one you can reduce to 450. Depth also 450. And then the height you can change 2100. Okay, change the size. Then you can add in the shelving inside. You can right click on the carcass, go to add function type. Then you can go to plate type. Okay, we have 15 up to 18 mm panel. Choose your thickness. Then go to standard function part. Remember, this one you need to drag inside. You cannot double click. So you can drag this layer panel, drag inside. Then you can close the library. To divide it, you can right click on the panel, go to evenly divided. Okay, so let's say I divide to number 3. Then once you add panels inside, you can try generate LED light to each panel, to each shelves. Okay, you can right click on the carcass, go to lighting, install. Here you will see this library. Okay, you can go to general lighting or you can go to cold light, warm light and white light. So I will use the single side laminate, this one. Choose the model first. Double click, you don't have to drag inside, just double click. And on the right side, you will see this setting, light setting. Okay, you can try zoom in the carcass here. You will see this yellow strip on top. Okay, this yellow strip indicate for the LED lights lah. Okay, so you know the position of the light. If you cannot see the yellow strip, you can try untick display lamp mask and tick again. then you will see this yellow strip. Okay, you can change the direction downward or upward. Okay, if you change upward, the LED light will install on top of the panel. If you change downward, the LED light will be installed underneath the shelf. Okay, you can see all the yellow strip. Alright, so this is downward, this is upward. Then width, usually this will follow the shelf width. You can also reduce it if you want. Let's say I reduce it to 100, enter. Then you can change the position left or right. Left, right. But usually we will follow the shelving 416. Okay, position you can change it to the front, center, back. Front, center, back. If I change it to the front, you can adjust the margin. Margin is the distance from the front side to your LED light. If I increase it, it will move further away. Let's say I change the position to the back. So margin will be the distance from the back side to your light. Okay, increase that. Okay, but if you change, go to center, you cannot adjust the margin because the light already at center. Okay, then down here you can increase the quantity of light. Let's say I increase 3 LED light inside. Then you can adjust the spacing between the LED lights. Let's say 100. Enter. And then you can see down here we have lighting parameters where you can change the temperature and color. For temperature, you can go to warm tone or cool tone, or you can also adjust the Kelvin inside this box. Alright, then you can also change the color. You can select this box and change the color here. Let's say I want yellowish tone, so you can drag and find the yellow tone you like. Let's say you like this color, you can add inside this palette. Click this add button. Okay, then you can close that. The temperature and the color effect only will be shown after you render. Okay, down here you can adjust the brightness lah. You can increase up to 1000. Then you can click generate. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's say you want to edit the light. You can right click on the carcass, go to lighting and edit. Okay, let's say I decrease it to 1 only, and then I move it to the back. Then click yes. Okay, now all my LED light will move to the back lah. You can also install LED light on side panel. Okay, on both left and right side. Just go to the second button here, side panel lamp, and you will see the yellow strip on both left and right side. Okay, here for the direction, do not click this left and right button if you want to install on both left and right side panel. Because if you install to the left or to the right, the panel only will be installed on one side. Okay, one side only. You cannot install on both sides once you change the direction. Okay, otherwise you need to close and reinstall again. Right click, go to light, install. Okay, select the model first, double click, and then you go to side panel lamp. Remember, do not click this direction if you want to apply light on both left and right side. Okay, then we go to the position. Okay, front, center, back, front, center, back. Alright, then you can see here, you can increase the quantity, the spacing between the lights, adjust the temperature, color, and the brightness. All the setting is the same lah. Once you have done, you can click generate. Okay, you can close that. This is how it looks like. Let's say you want to install light on one panel only. You can press B button on your keyboard, or you can go here and select panel. Then you can select any panel you want to install. Okay, let's say I want to install light on this shelf. Select, right click, then go to light, install. Okay, repeat the step. You can choose the lighting model, adjust the position, okay, and then you can change the temperature, color, and brightness. then you can click generate. Okay, you can see my light is at the bottom lah. Okay, so this is my LED light. Remember, if you want to install to the whole carcass, you need to go back to unit, select unit. If you want to install on one panel only, select panel. Okay, once you have done install the light, you can try install door and drawer. Okay, so you can go to install button, go to door. We will install the door first. Okay, now we have entered the door installation mode. You can select any space you want to install. Okay, let's say I select the first space on top here. Then you can choose the door panel type. This one, open left, open right, flip upward, downward, double door, fake door and fake drawer. Fake door and fake drawer you cannot open. Okay, other than these two you can open lah. Alright, so let's say I use swing door, open left, and then you can choose the mask type, overlay or embedded. Only the first two is workable. Okay, overlay and embedded. Then you can click confirm. So this is the door. Then just repeat the step. Select the other space, select the door type, and then choose the mask type, overlay or embedded. Then click confirm. Okay, this is the difference. This one is overlay, this one is embedded. It will install inside and you can see the carcass panel on the side. Alright, so let's say I install overlay, confirm. The third door also I install overlay door, confirm. Okay, you can see if I exit the installation and I move the camera, you can see there's a black color between the panels, meaning the panel is actually overlapping. If this happens, you can try select the door and you can try adjust in here, the door lift setting. So every door will have their top cover, bottom cover, left and right side. Okay, so since the bottom part is overlapping, okay, you can go to bottom cover and change to partially overlay, partial overlay. If still overlapping, you can change to embedded. Okay, so this one I will change to partial overlay. Then you can select the second door. This one, both the upper part and the lower part is overlapping. So you go to top cover, change to partial overlay or embedded. Same with bottom cover, change to partial overlay or embedded. Then repeat the step for the third door. Okay, this one, top cover, change to partial overlay, bottom cover also partial overlay. So when you move your camera, the panel won't overlapping. Now there's a gap between the panel. Okay, then you can also try install drawer. Go back to install button and then go to drawer. Okay, repeat the step, select any space you want to install. Okay, and then you will see the door installation type here, overlay or embedded. Okay, here also we have top, bottom, left and right cover. If you're afraid it will overlap with this door, you can change the top cover to partial overlay. Okay, not cover meaning it's embedded. Okay, partial overlay or embedded. Then down here you can see got self-defined. Self-defined meaning you can divide the drawer into vertical or horizontal. Okay, you can install it vertically or horizontally. Let's say I install it in vertical form and then I increase the drawer number. Okay, I have 3 drawer now, then click confirm. So this is a drawer. You can also install the drawer in a horizontal way. You can select this cabinet, select the space, then go to horizontal. Let's say I divide to 3 as well. And then click confirm. It will automatically divide like this lah. If you select the drawer and delete it, you can see inside got panel. Okay, it auto divide the drawer like this lah. Then let's say you want to adjust the drawer height. You can select the drawer. Okay, you can go back to vertical because this one is vertical drawer. Then you can select which drawer you want to adjust. Let's say I want to adjust my bottom drawer. So I tick drawer number 3 and adjust the height. Let's say 250. Then click confirm. So my bottom drawer will be adjusted lah. You can see it's slightly higher than the other two. Okay. So this is how to install door and drawer. If you have done, you can click exit installation or you can press escape. Then you can try add in the background panel. Okay, the back panel. First button, you can go to Dado module. Second button, you can go to wall board. Okay, then you can scroll all the way down. You will see this flat wall board. Okay, flat wall board. Drag it to the right and snap it to this carcass. Okay, side by side like this. Then you can change the size. Width, make sure you extend it to the left. Okay, this one you can extend 2100 enter. And then height 1006 enter. Elevation 500 enter. Okay, change the size. Then you will see a gap between these two side panels 400. You can change to 0. Then click enter. Okay, it will auto snap to the carcass. You can also drag out other panels. One of the most requested panel is fluted panel. For fluted panels, you can go to Dado. Okay, so I will repeat again. First button, you can go to Dado module. Second button, already inside Dado. First things you will see is modern wall panel. This one, modern wall panel. Okay, so this is the fluted panel that I recommend to use. Why this is recommended? Because only this panel you can adjust the sizing of each fluted. Okay, you can see this panel have special parameters. Alright, so W1 is the thickness of the first fluted here. Let's say I increase it 100 and you can see it increased. Let's say I adjust W2. W2 is the thickness of the second fluted. Let's say I decrease it to 20 mm. Okay, you can see the difference. And then D2 is actually the thickness of W2. Thickness of the second strip. Let's say I increase it to 100. Then it will come out 100 mm. Okay, but if you want to adjust the W1 thickness, okay, the first fluted thickness, this one you need to adjust inside here lah. Okay, the original sizing here. Let's say I increase it 50 mm, so it will come out 50 mm. Alright, you can try use this modern wall panel. Then we go back to living room. Alright, so now we're going to cut curve on this corner. How to cut the panel? First, you can press B button on your keyboard or you can go select panel. Okay, select this panel and on top you will see this chamfer, the second button, chamfer. Okay, go to chamfer and then you need to select this blue cube. Every corner you will see this blue cube. Okay, select the blue cube first and then select the chamfer type. Okay, for curve you can go to outer fillet lah. Okay, outer fillet. And you can see here there's radius. Okay, you can increase the radius, let's say 500. Okay, so this is the curve profile lah. You can increase more if you want. Okay, if you see the curve is not smooth, you can try increase number of segment, this one. Okay, let's say I increase it to 80 mm. Okay, then the curve will be smoother. Once done, you can close the chamfer. So this is how to make curve on the panel. You can also do other things such as cut hole and extend panel. Okay, so let's say we drag out empty panels. First button, you can go to component class. Second button, you can go to plate type. You can drag out any plain panels. Make sure it's plain. Do not drag fluted, because if you drag fluted, you cannot edit the panel. Okay, you can either drag super panel or front riser. Okay, to rotate it, you can press Z or you can press X. Okay, rotate. Then you can also adjust the sizing. Right. So to edit it, remember you need to press B or you need to select panel. Okay, select this panel and you will see this ribbon on top. So we have open hole, meaning you can drill a few shapes inside. Okay, you can drill circle shape, you can drill rectangle, triangle, and star shape. You can see down here. If you don't want, okay, you can select and delete lah. Select one by one and delete. You can also adjust the sizing. Let's say I drill triangle shape here. You can adjust the sizing. Okay, and then maybe width around 300. Okay. Then to adjust the movement, okay, which is the position, you can adjust the number on the bottom here. You can see got 20 here. You can try increase it to 100, so it will move to the right. If I increase this number, it will move to the top. Okay, it will move upward. Adjust this number lah. Then here you can try rotate it. Let's say 45 degree. It will rotate 45 degree like this. Okay, and you can try mirror lah. This one is flip horizontal. This one is flip vertical. Okay, then if you want to copy the shape, you can try array. Array means copy. Let's say I copy circle shape here. And you can see X direction meaning copy upward, Y direction meaning copy to the right. Then you can increase the quantity. Let's say upward, I copy 10. Interval meaning the spacing between the copies. Let's say 20 mm. Then one direction or copy 5 only. Interval is 30 mm. Then you can click apply. So it will copy out like this lah. Okay, you can also create a decorative panel using open hole. Alright, next we have extend, okay, where you can extend the panel. Let's say you want to increase it upward, you need to select this arrow. Okay, you cannot drag the arrow upward, you need to enter the number inside here. Let's say I want to increase it 100 mm. Then click enter. So it will increase upward 100 mm. Alright, but usually I won't use this stretching. I will just directly select the panel and adjust inside here. Alright, so this is the 3 button. You can try out cut hole, chamfer, and extend. So I will delete this panel. Alright, to select the whole carcass again, remember you need to change to unit, or you can press M button on your keyboard. Now we will install the handle. So you can right click on the wall, go to all handles, install. Then you will see this handle installation on the right. Okay, I have 3 types of door: swing door, drawer, and flip door. Okay, so you need to install one by one to each type of door here. You can click add button. Okay, here you can select any door handle, find any door handles you like, and then just double click. Then here you can replace the model. Okay, if you don't like this model, you can click replace, change to other model. Let's say this one. Then you can also resize it. Okay, you can change the width, you can change the thickness, you can increase the height. Okay, and you can also adjust the installation position down here. Okay, you can go to symmetrical. This one usually for double door. If you have double door, you can try go to symmetrical installation. Okay, you can either go to smart installation or free installation. This one you can place it anywhere freely. Okay, you can go to center, top, bottom, left, right. Okay, move it freely. Then down here you can go to installation direction where you can rotate and flip the handle. This one rotate, this one flip, left, right, or up and down. Okay, then you can continue install on other door, which is drawer. You can go to drawer. Since drawer already got handle, we can directly replace. Click replace. Change the handle. You can change the sizing, change the position, rotate and flip the handle. Alright. Then continue with flip door. I have flip door over here. You can click add. Choose the door handle you like. Then you can adjust the sizing. Then you can go to position and adjust the position freely. Down here you can rotate and flip. Let's say you want to select one door only. You can go up here. You can check whether it's handle 1 or handle 2. Okay, to select one by one, you can go up here. Select handle 1 or handle 2. Then you can move it. Okay, maybe I want to rotate it this way. Alright, so this is how to install handle. If you want to delete handle, you can right click, all handles, delete everything. Okay, if you want to delete one by one, select the door. Down here, you can go to handle and you can delete the handle. Delete. Alright. If you have done install the handle, you can try change the door panel. You can right click on the wall, all door, panel type. You can also change the door to aluminum frame door. Here we have aluminum frame glass door. For those who have installed LED light inside the carcass and in order to see the light effect after you render, you can try change to glass door. Alright. If you don't want it to affect your drawer, you can right click on the door and change the door one by one. Go to door, panel type. So this way it won't affect your drawer lah. Otherwise the drawer also will change to glass door. Okay, so this one you can go to aluminum frame door panel. Go to frame glass and you can replace the door panel lah. Okay, most of the door panel here already got install handle like this one. Okay, but if you want flat or plain glass door, you can try change to this one. This one is plain frame without handle. Then this one you need to install one by one lah. Right click, go to panel type. After you have done change all the door panel and change the color, this one is to change the color. Right click on the wall, all materials, door material. You can try add in decoration. Okay, you can go to this icon on top, AI decorative accessories. And then select any style you like. We have modern style, Southeast Asia, we have minimalist, luxury. Select any style and then select single space. Make sure you're selecting the living room area, then click confirm. This one also click confirm. Okay, once the decoration has been finished, you can see it decorate your TV cabinet. Okay, but you only put small item like frame, magazines, okay, not big item like TV. If you want to drag TV, you need to go to Cloud Library. Okay, go to this Cloud Material. You can go to Electrical Appliances. Here we have TV. You can drag TV to the panel. Alright, then to group them together, you must go back to System Cabinet. Go back to System Cabinet. Okay, to group them together, you can hold Control button and highlight. Hold Control button and highlight. Then you can press Control G. Control plus G. Once you group the cabinet, you will see this box, Edit Combination Information. You can rename it. Okay, and you can click Favorite. Okay, to save in your own favorite folder, you must click Favorite, and you will see these few categories. For first time user, you will only have one category which is not classified. You can directly save inside here, or you can create a new category, rename and click Confirm. Save inside this category. To double check whether you save this carcass, this cabinet or not, you can go to favorite folder on the left side and check inside here. Okay, I already saved inside here. Then you can also drag it to the other room, or maybe you can use the same TV cabinet in other project. Alright, so this is the final step in designing our TV cabinet. I hope you learned something. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.